Well, as we said earlier, we're so excited to have Horizon Credit Union as our corporate sponsor. They'll be on Moolah Monday every week.
And we are excited to have CEO Beverly Boling here with us today. Thanks for being with us, Bev.
Well, thanks for having me. Look forward to this.
So people who know me know I love a convertible.
Yes.
But it's ready for some expensive repair, and I think I'm just ready to switch. So let's talk some car buying today.
Okay, let's talk about maybe you want a Subaru.
I might. You just never know.
Car.
Yes, I would like to have a sports car that goes really fast.
Yes. You know the speed limit's 70 at the max.
Yeah, I know. And my car's average speed is 30. So it makes no sense.
That's okay.
Well, I needed a mom mobile. I needed something with the 8 seats in it. So that's why I came to Horizon Credit Union, and I got, well, it's a new to me car. It's a new used car, new to me car. And the process was just so easy. I made one phone call, and within 24 hours, I had my answer, and you even cleared up something that was on my credit report that I didn't know I had, so thank you so much.
Well, I wanted to come today and talk about power in your pocket. And usually an automobile is the second biggest expense that a family buys. You know, they buy several, but that's usually the second biggest expense. And I want to help you do your homework before you get out there and make impulsive decisions at the car lot. I think that's the worst thing.
So you always hear walking in with a wad of cash and, hey, I'm ready to buy today. That doesn't have the power it used to, because don't they make money on you financing it?
Yeah. The dealership makes about 37% of its gross income in the finance office. So, you know, they're trying to learn your credit score, because if they know your credit score, they know what they can upcharge as far as interest rates and fees. And so what we would like to suggest to everyone is come to Horizon Credit Union and let us work with your budget. Let's figure out what is a comfortable car payment. What kind of term do you want a short-term car loan? Do you want a long-term? What are you looking for before you get out there and you stumble through it, impulsively making these decisions?
And you don't want them necessarily knowing what your credit score is, do you?
No, I just frankly think that that's your business, and once they know your credit score, they kind of use it against you a little bit to try to steer you in different directions on what you need. So, you know, when you come in and talk to a loan officer at Horizon Credit Union, we're going to first of all set you up a budget, and then we're going to tell you what your trade-in is worth and what's reasonable that you should expect at the car dealership. So you won't have big surprises. You're going to have knowledge and power in your pocket to make these decisions. You can negotiate, because when you go to the dealer, you know, you're going to have the power to say to them, I'm a cash buyer, I'm ready to buy, don't play games, I'm here, let me purchase a car today. And I don't want to stay 4 hours. I have places to go. You know, I just want to make the transition. I'm ready. I'm a prepared buyer, and I'm ready to write a check and take the deal.
And that's the new way of buying now.
Yes.
It really is, because you were talking about the impulse buying and how they do the add-ons, and if you buy by the end of the month, well, you know, we've got 2 days till the end of the month and we're going to give you this extra rebate, and all that stuff is fluff. If you know how much you have, this is what you
Right, and you can always take the rebates, because that's just going to reduce the amount, you know, and so if you go in and it starts being hectic, you can say, look, I'm a cash buyer. I'll go to another dealership. Someone will sell me a car.
Right.
You know, and not only with cars, but boats, motorcycles,
motorbikes,
you know, jet skis, campers, RVs. If you're prepared and you're ready, then you have power in your pocket when you go to shop.
And people are so much smarter nowadays, not only because of your help, but just having the internet and being able to find out things that years ago we might not know.
Well, that's very true, and you know, you want to protect yourself. If you're like me, I'm very impulsive. I think, well, that would make me look good. And I'm, okay, this is it. But you know, you really know what you need. And you don't want to go out there and impulsively just make a decision that you have to pay for 7 years. You know, we'll help you figure out what your insurance cost is going to be on the car, you know, what the payment is, And so you'll be comfortable for the next 3 to 7 years and not be stuck in a situation where you put your family in a hardship, making these huge car payments that you couldn't afford anyway.
And they can actually apply online.
They can.
So much easier. You don't even have to come into a branch. One of your 4 branches, by the way.
But why would you pass up an opportunity to sit down and talk with you?
Well, and I just think that you will be engaged with our loan officers. They're very pleasant, and they're going to treat you the way that they would want to be treated when you get there and help you to make sound decisions.
Well, we've got information we'll put up on the screen how they can find you at your 4 locations.
Okay.
And give them a call or go to the website and be prepared when you go for your next vehicle.
Right.
Thank you. See you next Monday.
Okay.
Happy birthday Thursday.
Oh, thank you.